Hey guys, it's Tony W. I'm going to do a quick comparison between the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam handheld steamer and also the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam 2-in-1 iron steamer. This is pretty awesome. I just got this roughly about a week ago and I love it. It's pretty cool. This I had over 4 years ago and I still love it. Now let's do a quick comparison and what the main differences of the new one is. This one you can actually use it as an iron, hence the 2-in-1 iron and steamer. You can use it vertically or horizontally, and I'm actually getting this because I want to replace my really old iron that I've had. It's really heavy. These things are super lightweight, including this one. Now of course this old 4-year-old one actually has a creaser on top that's built in. Now of course the new one has a creaser attachment on it. Now comparing the overall size and weight and reservoirs, definitely the new one has a much larger reservoir. In fact, it's about probably 30-40% heavier than the original one. So if you want lightweight, pick the original one. If you want versatility and a large heating plate, pick the new one. It is a little heavier though. In terms of like extension cords and stuff, it has a pretty long cord for both of them, so they're very versatile on that. Like I said before, let's put some water in this and test it out. So always use distilled water. That's how I kept my steamers going on for over 4 years. And I plan to keep these steamers for over 4 years too. The new steamer basically steams in about 10 seconds. Under 10 seconds, you get hot steam already. And that plate on the front is hot already too. It's very hot. In fact, they actually have attachments that actually protect delicate fabric and stuff. So, but you could definitely iron stuff flat and use a ironing board and everything. So that's what I like about this versatile iron/steamer. It's not as heavy as a traditional iron, but at the same time, it's a lot faster to heat. It's only like 10 seconds before it has steam and heat. So it's really fast. It also uses a lot of energy too. So it did pop one of my breakers for when I first used this, but very useful because doing these currents is actually a lot easier to do with these currents with the new steamer than that of the old one. The reason why is because that large surface area and a lot more steam. As you can see, after about 1 pass, you already get rid of some of the crease. After about 2 passes with that little rubber stretching attachment, it takes off the crease immediately. So very useful. I think this new steamer is a lot better than the old one. True. It is heavier. True. But both of them are still very worth it. I mean, if you already have iron, you probably don't need the new steamer. Just use that old steamer version and it works very good. But if you need an iron, definitely get the new one because it does things a lot faster. It heats up faster, and also it has a lot more things you could do. It's a lot more versatile than just a regular steamer. You could still use this to steam furniture and other stuff like that. Both of them work the same way. Anyways guys, this is Tony W. I hope this comparison was useful and helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.